All right, everybody. Long time for an update on the channel. Let's go over something I've been waiting for a long time to finally get installed. It's my Delta Vehicle Systems Generation 2 bumper. It's probably take me a couple parts to get it all installed and go over a few gotchas that I ran into with it. And I'll let you know what I've got. First things first, when it comes in, I got mine raw, and so it will come in with a ton of parts, some powder coated from the factory and some not. And so when I had them delivered at the powder coating shop, I ended up being short 2 pieces. I don't know if they were lost at the powder coating shop, lost in the bunch that I took home, not shipped, who knows, doesn't matter. So I ended up having to reach out to Delta, and they were nice enough to send me out 2 more of these frame nut inserts, nut plates. That's kind of where I've been at right now, waiting on those. But Dave and the guys, they sent me out some free, but like I said, I don't know where they got lost or not lost. One gotcha for the powder coater. These side step inserts, this used to be all raw. This was kind of already temporary installed, and so I didn't really realize that till I got home. So this got powder coated in place, and then I realized I needed to take it out, and then I had to just kind of use some spray paint and touch up some of the edges. So make sure you're just not in too quick of a hurry at your powder coating shop when you get this dropped off and get it installed. I've got my rear bumper all cleaned up, ready to go. Just use some sandpaper and clean it up, spray paint it with some tractor black paint. I've got my 2 swing arms and the equipment ready to go for when I get the swing arms installed. Whole bunch of pieces involved in getting the latches and all that built. That'll be a separate video series. That's just the amp that I removed. I'm gonna put the quarter panel mount behind there that I got as well. And so that's just a quick update. Let me get this on the frame. One other gotcha that I might run into that I'm not sure is you will have to cut the stock exhaust pipe, but mine's not stock. And so when I had this installed from the muffler shop, it was when I still had the factory bumper. So I do not know right now if that's gonna cause an issue or not until I start to fit this in there. If I'm gonna have to either cut it or get it bent or remove that hanger that I had welded on. So it's kind of gonna be to be determined on if I am actually gonna be able to get this thing mounted up. And there's still, I have my Delta rear lift bracket. You can see there for the rear bar. All right, let me get this set up and see where I can get.